WHO, wey they call the World Health Organization, don come out to come here say coronavirus wey enter inside Africa no be like the coronavirus wey dey for inside other obodo world o. Say because the number of people wey get COVID-19 for inside Africa just pass 100,000 on 23rd of May. WHO don come out to come dey talk say the thing dey shocktalize them o. Say because for inside other obodo world o, say the coronavirus plenty well say but for inside Africa say people wey get am not many well o. And upon say the country wey dey inside Africa say their healthcare system bad well o, like wetin dey come out to come yarn for their talk say 3,100 people don kpufo for the sickness wey be COVID-19 for inside obodo Africa, wey get plenty people wey pass about 1 billion, and 41,400 people don well for the coronavirus since 14 weeks wey the sickness take enter inside Africa. United Nations Health Agency don come out to come chook small mouth for the matter. Say why coronavirus no dey keep plenty people for inside obodo Africa, say na because say they get plenty young people for inside obodo Africa, and some other things themselves fit dey help them. Say because 60% of people wey dey inside obodo Africa dey below 25 years old, and like wetin WHO regional organ for inside Africa wey dey call Dr. Mashidiso Moweti come out to come yarn say for inside Africa say they get plenty young people, and na im make the COVID-19 no dey kill them plenty. The World Health Organization don come out to come yarn say for South Africa say they don become a place wey be say the COVID-19 dey well low for inside obodo Africa, as Brazil don pass Russia for the coronavirus matter, come become the second country wey get the coronavirus plenty for inside obodo world, and 5.2 million people don catch the coronavirus for inside the world as coronavirus don high well for inside South America. This na Man About Town reporting for Pidgin News Network.